So how do you change Google Calendar to light mode on your iPhone? Let's get started. If you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. Right, so of course you can go to your Google Calendar and check out these settings, but you don't really have the ability to change the appearance right there, right? So you don't really have the option to switch between the modes in here. And the reason is that the Google Calendar will adopt the setting of your general iPhone, right? So if your iPhone is set to dark mode, then the background within a calendar will also be dark, right? So you can change it in the control center inside of the brightness controller. When you hold down on it, below we have the dark mode button, so you can enable it and disable it and see the change happen instantly. But for more control over it, I recommend you to go to the settings app of the iPhone and see the display and brightness menu. In there, you again have the same buttons for appearance, so you can toggle it on or off, but the automatic option is really important as well, because this lets you schedule and plan in advance the way your phone will behave. So if you have the automatic switching enabled, meaning that, for example, starting at sunset, your iPhone screen and backgrounds will turn dark, and then in the morning it will turn back to light mode. Well, if you have that option turned on, it will also apply to the Google Calendar. So set it up the way that you want. Of course, the automatic doesn't have to be turned on at all, right? So you can set it up the way that you need, right? So let me know in the comments below if you managed to set it up the way that you wanted. Thanks a lot for watching. Most definitely stay tuned for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later.